Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Battlefield 6 from crashing. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. As you can see, currently we're right now on Battlefield 6. And now from here, once you have the game fully installed, it doesn't matter. All you have to do is from here go to the right click on the game section. And then from here go to properties. Once you do that, you're going to see installed files. And as you can see right here, there's a button that says verify this game's files and integrity. So once you verify integrity of game files, it's going to make sure that all your files are validated and none of them are installed wrong. And so once that is done, if you have an NVIDIA or GeForce in your computer installed, make sure that your drivers are updated. To do that, all you have to do is go to the search button right here and search for the NVIDIA app and then click on it. Once you click on the NVIDIA app, it's going to show you to the home screen. And so from here, you're going to go to your drivers. And as you can see in the drivers, I have ready to install new drivers that I have to update. And so as you can see from here, it's going to update it and it's going to fix the patch that is going to make this game run smoother. So make sure you click download. Now, one last thing you can do is you go search for graphics settings. And so from here in the graphics settings, as you can see, there are desktop apps that are enabled right here. And all of these are set to high performance. So you can browse for a new game. So from here, as you can see in the Battlefield 6 folder, if your game is installed, or you can check for any other game, such as this one, for example, click add. And now from here, all you have to do is go to options. And as you can see, you can set it to high performance, such as NVIDIA GeForce Now, which is going to be your card. And so click on save. And now that game will run on the highest performance possible for your computer. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.